भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
जय 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 गणपति देवा।
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 गजानना गजानना
गजानना गजानना
गजानना गजानना गजानना हे गणपति देवा।
गजानना हे गणपति देवा।
गजानना हे गणपति देवा।
गजानना हे गणपति देवा।
जय 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 गणपति देवा।
जय 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 गणपति देवा।
जय 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 गणपति देवा।
गजानना गजानना
गजानना गजानना
गजानना हे गणपति देवा।
गजानना हे गणपति देवा।
गजानना हे गणपति देवा।
गजानना हे गणपति देवा।
गजानना हे गणपति देवा। जय 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 गणपति देवा।
जय 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 जगवन्दिनी मां।
जगवन्दिनी मां।
जय 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 जगवन्दिनी मां।
जय जय जगवन्दिनी मां।
जय परमेश हृद्वासिनी मां।
जय परमेश हृद्वासिनी मां।
जय परमेश हृद्वासिनी मां।
जय परमेश हृद्वासिनी मां।
जय 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 जगवन्दिनी मां।
जय जय
पर ब्रह्मस्वरूपिणी
आदिशक्ति परब्रह्मस्वरूपिणी
जगज्जननी चतुर्वेद विलासिनी जगज्जननी चतुर्वेद विलासिनी सांब विनोदिनी माता भवानी सांब विनोदिनी माता भवानी श्रीकरी शङ्करी मोक्षप्रदायिनी श्रीकरी शङ्करी मोक्षप्रदायिनी जय 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 जगवन्दिनी मा जय परमेश हृद्वासिनी मा जय 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 जगवन्दिनी मा आदिशक्ति पर ब्रह्मस्वरूपिणी जगज्जननी चतुर्वेद विलासिनी सांब विनोदिनी माता भवानी माता भवानी माता भवानी सांब विनोदिनी माता भवानी श्रीकरी शङ्करी मोक्षप्रदायिनी श्रीकरी शङ्करी मोक्षप्रदायिनी जय 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 जगवन्दिनी मा
गिरिधारी मुरारी गोविन्दा गिरिधारी मुरारी गोविन्दा घनश्याम मुरारी गोपाला घनश्याम मुरारी मुरारी गोविंदा
गिरिधारी मुरारी गोविंदा
राधे कृष्ण मुरारी गोविंदा
राधे कृष्ण मुरारी गोविंदा
सत्य साई मुरारी गोपाला
सत्य साई मुरारी गोपाला
सत्य साई मुरारी गोपाला
सत्य साई मुरारी गोपाला
गिरिधारी मुरारी गोविंदा मैथिलीपते रघुनंदना
मैथिलीपते रघुनंदना
मैथिलीपते रघुनंदना
मैथिलीपते रघुनंदना
रामा राघवा राजीवलोचना
रामा राघवा राजीवलोचना
रामा राघवा राजीवलोचना
रामा राघवा राजीवलोचना
मैथिलीपते रघुनंदना
मैथिलीपते रघुनंदना
दीनावना करुणामया
दीनावना करुणामया
दीनावना करुणामया
दीनावना करुणामया
कमलनयना कौसल्यतनया
कमलनयना कौसल्यतनया
कमलनयना कौसल्यतनया
कमलनयना कौसल्यतनया
मैथिलीपते रघुनंदना
मैथिलीपते रघुनंदना
रामा राघवा राजीवलोचना
रामा राघवा राजीवलोचना
रामा राघवा राजीवलोचना
रामा राघवा राजीवलोचना
मैथिलीपते रघुनंदना
मैथिलीपते रघुनंदना
दीनावना करुणामया
दीनावना करुणामया
कमलनयना कौसल्यतनया
कमलनयना कौसल्यतनया
कमलनयना कौसल्यतनया
कमलनयना कौसल्यतनया
मैथिलीपते रघुनंदना
युग युग के अवतार तुम्ही हो
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 मेरे राम मेरे श्याम शिरडी साई पर तेरा
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 जग के पार पालनहार तुम्ही हो।
जग के पालनहार तुम्ही हो।
जग के पालनहार तुम्ही हो।
जग के पालनहार तुम्ही हो।
अल्लाह ईश्वर तेरे नाम।
अल्लाह ईश्वर तेरे नाम।
अल्लाह ईश्वर तेरे नाम।
अल्लाह ईश्वर तेरे नाम।
सबको सन्मति दो भगवान।
सबको सन्मति दो भगवान।
सबको सन्मति दो भगवान।
सबको सन्मति दो भगवान।
अल्लाह ईश्वर तेरे नाम शिरडी साई पर तेरा।
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 जग के पालनहार तुम्ही हो।
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 युग युग के अवतार तुम्ही हो।
युग युग के अवतार तुम्ही हो।
मेरे राम मेरे श्याम शिरडी साई पर तेरा।
मेरे राम मेरे श्याम शिरडी साई पर तेरा।
जग के पालनहार तुम्ही हो।
जग के पालनहार तुम्ही हो।
अल्लाह ईश्वर तेरे नाम।
अल्लाह ईश्वर तेरे नाम।
सबको सन्मति दो भगवान।
सबको सन्मति दो भगवान।
अल्लाह ईश्वर तेरे नाम शिरडी साई पर तेरा।
अल्लाह ईश्वर तेरे नाम शिरडी साई पर तेरा।
जग के पालनहार तुम्ही हो।
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 युग युग के अवतार तुम्ही हो। नारायण हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम।
नारायण हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम।
साई नारायण हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम।
साई नारायण हरि ओम हरि ओम
हरि ओम हरि ओम।
साई नारायण हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम।
साई नारायण हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम।
साई नारायण हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम।
शांताकारा भुजंग शयना
शांताकारा भुजंग शयना
पद्मनाभ हरि ओम।
पद्मनाभ हरि ओम।
साई नारायण हरि ओम।
साई नारायण हरि ओम।
साई नारायण हरि ओम।
साई नारायण हरि ओम। नारायण हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम।
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई।
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई।
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा।
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा।
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई।
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम।
साई राम साई राम साई राम।
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे।
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे।
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे।
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम
साई राम साई राम साई राम।
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई।
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा।
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम
साई राम साई राम साई राम।
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे।
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई
कालातीताय सिद्धिरूपाय योगीश्वराय नमो।
कालातीताय सिद्धिरूपाय योगीश्वराय नमो।
कालातीताय सिद्धिरूपाय योगीश्वराय नमो।
कालातीताय सिद्धिरूपाय योगीश्वराय नमो।
जगद्धिताय विश्वरूपाय
जगद्धिताय विश्वरूपाय
जगद्धिताय विश्वरूपाय
जगद्धिताय विश्वरूपाय
साईश्वराय नमो।
साईश्वराय नमो।
सत्य साईश्वराय नमो।
सत्य साईश्वराय नमो।
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
कालातीताय सिद्धिरूपाय योगेश्वराय नमो।
कालातीताय सिद्धिरूपाय योगीश्वराय नमो।
जगद्धिताय विश्वरूपाय
जगद्धिताय विश्वरूपाय
साईश्वराय नमो।
साईश्वराय नमो।
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो।
कालातीताय सिद्धिरूपाय योगीश्वराय नमो।
चित चोरा यशोदा के बाल, नवनीत चोर गोपाल। चित चोरा यशोदा के बाल, नवनीत चोर गोपाल। गोपाल गोपाल गोपाल, गोवर्धन धर गोपाल। वर्धन धर गोपाल। चित चोरा यशोदा के बाल, नवनीत चोर गोपाल। चित चोरा यशोदा के बाल, नवनीत चोर गोपाल। चित चोरा यशोदा के बाल, नवनीत चोर गोपाल।
I've been a Balavikas child, as Vasanta was saying. Maybe directly our Balavikas guru was Swami. You know, he used to teach us different things. Then I became a Balavikas guru at a very young age of 14. I was in 9th grade when Swami began the Balavikas program, and he asked my mother to become the state coordinator for the state of Karnataka so that they could go to different places and start the Balavikas program throughout Karnataka. So he chose a few ladies, 8 or 9 of them. Some of their names I remember. It is indeed with reverence. I remember them, their names. My mother, Kamala Padmanabhan. There was Saraswati Natarajan, Kalyani Sundaram, Vimala Sheshadri, and all of these wonderful ladies who were all sitting and chatting in Brindavan one day under the tree. And Swami called them and said, "What are you all chatting?" They said, "We are all generally just talking," probably complaining about the maids who didn't show up to work that day. Like many of the women we do sometimes when we cannot go somewhere. And Swami said, instead of wasting your time talking about household matters all the time, why don't you collect a few children and start a small program for the children where you can teach them some good things which is a part of our culture. So all these ladies said, "How can we do, Swami? We are not very well educated. We don't know much of the scriptures. We don't know how to sing. We don't know how to do this." And Swami said, "All of you know how to tell stories because you are all mothers. You at one time or the other you have told stories to your children. So you all know how to tell stories. So start with stories. And from there we will go forward." So the very informal, non-official Balavikas was started in 2 parts of Bangalore. One in Jayanagar, in Basavangudi actually, which was where we lived. One in Malleshwaram, I think. and in a couple of the places. Usha Montessori school, she had. Usha auntie, I don't even know her. Usha Pillai, she was also, I think she had a school, Montessori school. So one of the venues was her school. So they started a very informal program in 1968-69 time frame. I was a young child, 9-10 years old, and became a part of my mother's Bal Vikas program. The children who attended the Bal Vikas program were not Sai devotee children. They were all mostly my friends who got dragged into. My mother said, why don't you send? So they collected a few children and started the program. And then in 1969, after the World Conference in Bombay, the program was formalized. So actually the first thing that Swami started before the Sai Samitis and the study circles and the Seva activities, it was the Bal Vikas program, because he believed that you children, the youngsters, are going to be the torch bearers. Today is Indian Republic Day. So I want to hear all of you youngsters say Jai Hind. There you go. So with that feeling in mind, Swami said, these young children are going to carry the torches of the Indian culture within them, so that it can go wherever they go. Whether they go to America, whether they go to Australia, it doesn't matter. They will carry these wonderful values with them and they will go ahead. So this is how the Bal Vikas program started. My mother was doing the Bal Vikas program in our house. She's a wonderful storyteller. So she's attracted everybody with stories. And then one day when Swami was visiting our house, when the Bal Vikas program was going to become formalized, he wanted the program to begin all over Karnataka. He told my mother, you become the state coordinator now that the program is formalized. You go to all the small towns all over Karnataka and you try to start the Bal Vikas program with the women as Bal Vikas gurus. So my mother, who had about 15 or 20 children in the class, said, Swami, if I go traveling here and there, who will teach the children who are in my class? Because it was done on the weekends. And Swami, who had come to our house for dinner, who was sitting on the chair and we were all sitting, pointed to me and said, she's sitting here, she can do the class. So I looked this way and that way, thinking it was one of my cousins that he was pointing out, who was older than me. And Swami, atu itu yen chustunnau? He said, why are you looking here and there? I'm talking to you. Me? I'm in 9th standard. The children who come to the class are my friends. Who's going to listen to me when I tell them what to do? So Swami gave me some beautiful advice. He said, when you become a teacher, you put on the hat of a teacher. When you become a student, you have to put on the hat of a student. So when you cross the line and come to the front of the class, behave like a teacher and your friends will treat you like a teacher. So I started teaching Bal Vikas without much knowledge, I must say. Just the stories that my mother had told me as a child, the little experiences that Swami had given me throughout my childhood. And so it started for me. So I thought today, since there are so many youngsters here, I will start with an incident that I started out knowing that Swami is everywhere when I was a child. I was about 7 maybe or 8, and Swami was going to come to our house. I'm going to move this because I like to see the young people in front of me here. So when I was about 6 or 7 or 8, somewhere in that, Swami was going to come to our house for dinner, and I had the wonderful opportunity to go in the car with my father and my brother and bring Swami to our house for dinner. And because I was a little kid, Swami allowed me to travel with him wherever he went in the car. So I used to go wherever my father drove Swami, I would also tag along. Sometimes I would sit in the back seat with Swami, sometimes in the front seat. If I sat in the front seat, I would turn around with my legs crossed and face Swami and look at him and listen to what he had to say. So whenever Swami used to come to our house, all the time in the car from Brindavan to Jainagar 3rd block where my parents lived, he would narrate lot of stories. Sometimes he would sing songs. I remember once he started to tell the story of Sati Sakkubai. You have all heard of Sakkubai, the great saint? If you haven't, then you are going to give homework to your teachers so that they can come and tell you next time in Balavikas. So Sakkubai was a great Maharashtrian saint who was a great devotee of Vittala, and she used to sing beautifully and compose songs for him. And Swami started to tell this story, and as we were driving, Swami started to sing those songs that Sakkubai had composed in Marathi in her voice. The most beautiful voice. Even Lata Mangeshkar would have to bend down. Most beautiful voice, I believe, Sakkubai had. Not only did she have a beautiful voice, she had deep devotion, and she used to sing. And Swami started to sing all the way from Brindavan to our house, the 22 kilometers or 26 kilometers, all the way he sang, and we were just immersed in the music. And we came home. Swami came and spent 2 hours with us. He had his dinner. While going back, he never took me, because it would be 9 or 9:30 in the night. He would say, you have your dinner and go to bed, because tomorrow you will have school. So only while coming I used to go. So that day also he left me behind, and he went back with my father and my brother. And as soon as Swami departed, the tradition in our house was everybody would surround, because all the dinner was over, and you would say, Swami, what did he say in the car? What did he say in the car? They would have already heard him for 1.5 hours, but they were very curious to know what Swami said in the car. I was a little kid, and the nice thing about being a kid is you remember everything. So I would narrate everything from Brindavan to Jainagar 3rd block. Whatever Swami narrated, I would narrate, whether I understood it or not. Sometimes Swami would talk about lot of philosophy, sometimes I didn't understand, but I could just narrate it. And they would all listen. So they were all saying, oh, it's so bad that we are not there in the car. When they heard that Swami had sung Sakkubai's songs, oh, it would have been so nice if we could have heard. All my cousins were very good singers. Say, oh, we could have heard, we could have heard. So the next time when Swami came to our house, my brother and I, we came up with a plan. We said, you know what, these people are always asking what Swami says in the car. And Swami says sometimes beautiful stories. He sings beautifully. So you know what we will do? Let us record Swami. Record Swami without his permission. Because Swami was not giving permission to record things that he was speaking privately in the car. So we were both young. I was younger. We forgot that Swami is there with us at all times. We said we have to record. And in the old days, you children will not even have seen those types of tape recorders. Because now you'd record everything in your phone, isn't it? Everything you can record in the phone. But the old tape recorders of my time, it was a rectangular box. It had 2 switches. You had to press start and record at the same time. If you press record and start little differently, nothing will get recorded. Start and record, and you needed a mic to record. It would not record. It didn't have a microphone within. You had to attach a microphone to it. And so we came up with a plan. My brother got a nice big microphone with a big long wire. You know, in the car, in between the driver's seat and the passenger seat, there is a little place where the gear is. We put the tape recorder there. We covered Swami's seat with a nice silk cloth and a nicer silk cloth over the tape recorder so that Swami doesn't see it. We took out the microphone from there and hid it just below Swami's seat in the hope that the microphone will record. So we got everything arranged, nicely arranged, everything, put some tape and this and that so that the microphone doesn't move. We put it there and we went to Brindavan. We did not, of course, tell my father, who was a very strict person. He would not have allowed such things. So it was just between the two of us. We went to Brindavan, and now we had lot of instructions that we had told each other. My brother was going to drive, so Swami will give darshan. Get into the car in the back seat, My father will get in on the other side in the back seat. My father did not know the tape recorder is with me in the front, next to me. So you have to press the button simultaneously under the silk cloth, because you can't take it out and see. And also when you press the buttons, that click sound will come, no? So my brother had given me instructions. When Swami is getting into the car, lot of people will crowd around him. He will say, I will come back at this time and that time. That time itself you click. Now the cassette will only tape for 40 minutes on one side. So we said, anyway, by the time we reach our house, 40 minutes will be over. So the whole ride will not get taped. But the problem is, when the tape finishes, click sound will come, because the buttons go up. So at that time, you have to watch for 40 minutes and talk something to Swami, so that he will not hear. So we had perfect planning. Don't you think we had very good planning? Had very good plan. Went to Vrindavan, we looked at each other. Swami is standing near the door. Vellostano, he is telling everybody I am leaving. He sat in the car. Before he sat, my father sat, clicked. Nobody heard. Swami got in. And as usual, Swami was talking beautifully, telling us some stories. At this time, because anyway it is recording, we didn't pay too much attention. Anyway we can. That is the problem with technology. That's why Swami calls tricknology. If you don't have any technology, your brain will work and you will listen. But when you know that I can go and listen to Geeta Auntie's house tomorrow, Geeta Auntie's talk tomorrow, anyway uncle will upload, now you can text your friend sitting here. You need not listen, because you can see here tomorrow. So we were happily sitting and listening. This time I was not, always I used to concentrate, because my aunts will ask me at the end, what did Swami say in the car? So I used to pay attention. This time I nicely relaxed and sat in the car. So the car came. Swami said, my father's car went into the garage. Sometimes Swami would say, I will come from the front door. My mother and my aunt Sundaramma, they will wait near the front door with the arati. When they are waiting in the front door, Swami will say, go in the garage. So these two ladies have to run to the garage with the arati plate. So we will go in the garage. Swami's car went in the garage. And as my father parked the car, Swami looked at my brother and myself and said, Yemi raledu. Nothing was recorded. Swami said, what? Yemi raledu. He said, and got down from the car and went inside very naturally, normally, talked to everybody, spent 2 hours, went back to Vrindavan, and the car came back. And of course, much to my father's surprise and anger, we nicely removed the tape recorder from there, taking out all the thing. We looked at the cassette. The cassette has been running, because from A side it has gone to B side. We insert it. We are only hearing just the rotation of the tape going. Nothing is recorded. And in the end of the tape, Yemi raledu is recorded. That was recorded. Only that was recorded. So, after many experiences, but as a child, one of my experiences, you cannot hide anything from Swami. That was the lesson. You cannot hide. He knows exactly what you are doing, at what time you are doing, when you are doing it, with whom you are doing it. He knows everything. So I learned that lesson when I was a child. Then the years went by, a few years went by. I became a Bala Vikas Guru, I told you in the beginning. So I'm just telling you my various stages. I was a child learning many lessons from Swami, fun lessons, sometimes not very fun lessons, sometimes very nice lessons also. He used to play snakes and ladders with me and my cousin. Snakes and ladders, when he used to come and stay with us for Akhand Bhajan. And he will say, I want to play snakes. Once we allowed him to play with us. He wins all the games. Because when he puts the dice number will come exactly whatever number he wants. So he all the time he is going up the ladder but never coming down the snake. So he is always winning. So after second or third time we said, Swami, we don't want to play with you. Because you are winning all the time. So he said, no, I will play like you people only. So he played. So he went up some ladders, came down some. Do you all know the game Snakes and Ladders? Otherwise you have to Google it today. So he played with us. And finally there is one snake at number 99. Long one, right? It comes all the way down to number 2. Swami's pawn has come up to 98. And we are thinking, okay, he'll put the die, he may lose it. He has played correctly now all the way. And then he throws the dice, he's on 100. See, I won this time also. You people don't know how to play. So he said, see, this is... But Swami was not just playing. He always used to tell us something good. So he said, see, life is like this snakes and ladders. Sometimes you go up the ladder. Sometimes you go down the ladder. Life, sometimes you get good marks in maths. Sometimes you get poor marks. It will happen, but you have to keep working at it. And finally, when you come near 98, after putting all your effort of all the numbers, you have to hold on to the dice, which is the Lord, and say, please play with me, and throw the dice. Then you will reach 100. 100. You are a 0, he is a 1. It gives you value. When you put a 1 next to the 0, you get value, right? Otherwise, you're just a 0. That's how he taught us. So these are all I learnt as a small child. I learnt and I played.
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपद्बान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयना ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ